Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2013 Hyundai Santa Fe. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 3.3-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, a trip computer, and one-touch window functionality. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Hyundai ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.